my YouTube channel. Lakshmi Devi and Happy New Year to everyone, guys. Today I'm going to Manali. It's completely a solo trip and a random one also because I had no plan to go. But like it was a long weekend, so I just decided to go to visit Manali. And guys, मेरी एक बस अभी छूट चुकी है. मैं दूसरी बस से जा रहा हूँ. मतलब मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि यार प्लीज एडजस्ट कर दो. तो हाँ उन्होंने बोला है कि हम कर देंगे. तो भाई ओके फाइन, मिलते हैं यहाँ से मनाली मनाली में. ओके बाय. बस मुझे मिल गई थी. उन्होंने लाइक जो मेरी बस छूटी थी उन्होंने सेम ट्रैवल ने मुझे दूसरी बस अवेलेबल करा दी. थोड़ा डिफरेंट टाइम था. तो गाइस ये पीछे मेरी बस लगी है. ये मैं हूँ गाइस. अभी बहुत ठंड हो रही है. रास्ते में रुके हुए हैं डिनर के लिए. भूख भी बहुत लग रही है. देखते हैं क्या सीन है गाइस. बाकी सब चंगा. मिलते हैं. So guys, this is the hotel where I'm going to have my dinner. My bus, as you know, मेरी बस कहीं रुकी है रास्ते में डिनर के लिए. It's around 12:30. So अभी देखते हैं कैसा खाना रहता है इनका, क्या सीन है. This is what I have got for my dinner today. It is kadhai paneer and some chapati. That's it. Guys, this is the tea break. We have just crossed Mandi. Guys, that's our bus. The middle one, the middle one is mine. And this is the one which I, जो मुझसे छूट गई थी. Guys, place, okay. And yeah, I'm not going to have tea and all because सुबह से मुझे चाय पी के नहीं तो और ऐसे प्रेशर बनने लगेगा. So I grab some cookies. I already have some, but something for that to just area those. Take good for you. Okay, guys. So guys, finally I have reached Manali. So here I am. Snow-covered mountains. And now I have to go and check into my hotel. As I'm already 3 to 4 hours late as due to heavy traffic and New Year rush. So guys, okay. मिलते हैं होटल में आपसे. Bye guys. So guys, this is where I'm staying. It's the hostel, okay. So I'm just going to the hostel. Let's see where it is. Okay guys, so it's there. It says take left. Okay. Okay, so बर्फ़ भी पड़ रही है यहाँ पे, थोड़ी थोड़ी स्नो. पता नहीं यार मुझे देखने को मिलेगी या नहीं. और आई डोंट थिंक कि मैं सोलांग या रोहतांग जा पाऊँगा बिकॉज टाइम का बहुत इशू हो रहा है मेरे साथ अभी. गाइस, एक तो मेरी बस आज इतना लेट पहुँची, ऊपर से कल मुझे थोड़ा जल्दी भी निकलना है बिकॉज मंडे को लाइक ऑफिस है मेरा. सो आई हैव टू रीच अर्ली. ओके गाइस, सो दिस इज़ वेयर आई एम स्टेइंग, हॉस्टल. So guys, this is my dormitory which I took in
hostel. Bed number 3 is mine. There are other two guys who are staying here from quite long. So guys, yeah, I have walking around 2 to 3 hours. Not 2 to 3 hours, guys, but around 1 to 1.5 hours. Tired as hell. I'm gonna change and get settled. After that, we'll go and explore around the places. First, I'll explore the hostel only. After that, we'll see. Okay, guys, bye. See you. Hello guys, I'm here at the famous Manu temple in Manali. Guys, Manu temple is about the Bhagwan Manu. According to Hindu mythology, Bhagwan Manu and Satrupa brought human civilization on earth. So guys, yeah, ये उन्हीं का temple है. And guys, wait, let me show you guys around the temple. 1 second, let me turn. Guys, this is the temple and this is the beauty. Okay, it's snowing here and almost all the nearby places. You can just have a look and visit here whenever you want. It's really nice. Okay guys, so right now I'm heading to the famous Hidimba temple. I don't know the way, बस मुझे किसी ने बताया है कि इधर से चले जाओ. अभी यही फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, देखते हैं. एंड गाइस, चढ़ाई बहुत खतरनाक है. यहाँ पे हर जगह चढ़ना पड़ता है. Hi guys, I'm at the famous Hidimba Devi temple in Manali. Hidimba Devi, who was actually married to Lord Bhima in Mahabharat. So yeah, it's this her temple, guys. And it's completely surrounded with pine forest, so you can just grab a place here and chill around. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, guys, thank you. Guys, as you can see, the entire area is snow covered. I'll just try to show you the area, like how it is covered and all, and how beautiful it is looking right now. Guys, it's a little low light due to because sunsets here are a little early, and yeah, the path is also snow covered. So I just have to little be a more careful. Otherwise, I'm gonna just slip in and fall, and my pumpkin. समझ सकते हो यार. बाकी देख लो भाई. ओहो, इजी ब्रो, इजी. Hi guys, I'm at Mall Road, Manali. And just for some shopping and street food. Guys, we'll see क्या लेते हैं, क्या मिलता है. मेरा मोमोज खाने का तो बहुत मन हो रहा है यहाँ पे. ढूंढ रहा हूँ कहीं कुछ अच्छा सा स्पॉट मिल जाए. चल लेते हैं, फिर आपको बताते हैं. फाइन गाइस, स्टे ट्यून्ड, बाय, सी यू. Hello guys, morning. This is day 2. It's around 9:30 and I have to go back also. Like my bus is around 3 from here Manali to Delhi. And guys, मैं थोड़ा जल्दी निकलना पड़ेगा ड्यू टू बिकॉज ड्यू टू हैवी रश एंड स्नोफॉल. आई गेस थोड़ा ट्रैफिक होगा. सो आई हैव रिशेड्यूल्ड माई ट्रिप. एंड गाइज अभी इट्स 9:30. सो आई हैव जस्ट गॉट अप एंड प्लान टू गो टू देयर वन मोर टेम्पल हियर, very famous, Vashisht. So yeah, I will try to go there if I can come back in time. Okay guys, I'll keep you posted. Just stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm at famous Vashisht temple in Manali. Guys, Vashisht temple, Guru Vashisht was teacher of Shri Ram, and for some time he came here for his dhyan and all, like अपने तपस्या करने के लिए वो यहाँ पे आए थे. Guys, यहाँ पे और 2-3 मंदिर हैं, लाइक भगवान राम का भी है और शंकर भगवान का है. तो यहाँ गए हम वो भी दिखेंगे. ओके गाइस. Guys, this is a Rama temple near Vashisht temple. So guys, yeah, and एक चीज़ मैं बताना भूल गया, यहाँ पे हॉट वाटर स्प्रिंग्स भी है, तो वहाँ पे जाके लोग अपना नहाते हैं एंड ऑल. बट मैं तो नहीं नहाऊंगा अभी, लाइक मैंने ऑलरेडी नहा लिया था होटल में. और एंड गाइज, या 1 second ना. So this is the view guys, you can see snow covered mountains all around and this is the temple. Okay guys, मिलते हैं कहीं और थोड़ी देर में. Fine guys, till then, bye. Hi guys, finally I'm signing off from Manali. Directly after checking out from my hotel, I went to Vashisht temple, and now I'm at Mall Road. Sort of crowd here, like weekend is ending, so everyone wants to do shopping here and all, and leave it early as soon as possible. That's why I had to reschedule my bus as well. Hello guys, so finally I'm signing off from Manali. Guys, the trip was awesome. It was so cold and I really enjoyed a lot, but yeah, it was quite short because I had to make it a little short due to lack of time. But guys, it was all great and cool. We'll see you in the next video guys. Till then, bye, take care, happy new year. Yeah, bye.